as Mr. and Mrs. Rudolph.
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight, show me that you love me too.